My God, multiple forbidden before I can create the live stream. That's amazing. The worst part is that I know that it also spams my subscribers. Look at this retarded shit, man. Bro, YouTube, serious. Stop YouTube. Uh, whatever. Okay. I need to get the actual link for the stream. So here's a link to my post, and let me share everyone. Here's a link. Okay. So yeah, this is my recent blog post. Let me just get some music going on. Oh my fuck, YouTube! Stop doing this shit. So YouTube, they have a bunch of how do you say shortcuts, which is good, but it just steals the focus. I don't know why. It happens. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Time to focus. So yesterday I worked a lot on F file stuff. So in Veeam, Spidey, source, hardware. And this guy, yes. File. Yeah, this guy. Okay. So I still need to do this guy. There's another function that I should do, and then I'll do open in the last place because, yeah, I said so. So what's the name of the thing? It's oh my God. Music's a little too loud. Okay. Hmm. So yeah, where's the construct? Oh, okay. Oh my God, I saved with all of these dumb things over here. No, that's crazy. And then, yep. Yep. That's OS file, indeed. And yep. So string X pointer. And that's an integer. So, yep. Oh yeah, I also cloned the repository. I mean, I forked it. So I guess I'll start using my fork. Not because the one that exists is bad, but yeah, it's just easier for me. OS file, OS file. It's being indexed. So the original repository was already indexed, but for some reason, the indexes are not shared. You know, that's where the costs go to. Where does the underscore name thing goes? Oh, okay, whatever. I understand. This way. So value handle value. And yeah, this sounds about right. No, I shouldn't. Oh god. I need to fix this. So I go to Toby, release. There's an IDV. That's wrong. There's an IDV, then it means I messed up. Okay, that's good. Where's Toby? Oh, wait, I need to export. So this guy, and yeah. Here we go. Always goes to the main screen. It's kind of silly, but whatever. Let's just compare both functions. I think that's not what I wanted to do. String X. So the problem here. Okay. Good. Perfect. Yeah, okay. This is now done. I can call it the proper name. Is this guy. Okay, I don't think I need to go to the color. So this guy, and I'll leave here a to do, and open is done. Okay. This way I don't break anything in the game, and I can say okay, nothing. That's good. What? Oh yeah, tab new, term. Okay, good. So git commit os file const string x and int. This is good. So I think I have one more function left. No idea what is that. So this is the OS file. And this is the close. Did I forget to put the close here? Maybe. I did. Okay. What the heck? Toby, me the close. Oh. What the fuck? I even forgot to export it. Oh no, I did not. Oh, okay. I think I know exactly what happened. Okay. It's because I did a destructor. Yeah, that checks out. I want to get a shortcut for closing the thing. Kind of cool that it also exists. To close, I can definitely include it. What? This guy. And then OS file close. It looks good. Okay, good stuff. I can just do just I found it, so at least let me document it. Read SpeakyJ info. No. The heck? So I have no idea what this function is doing here. Okay. Huh. There's more functions that I should pay attention to. Definitely. Yeah, okay. There's more stuff that I should do before I finish this. Which is good. Let me also take a look at this way. There's any non-defined function. Okay, there's space. This big one. Not that big though. So what is happening here? OS file. Oh, file pointer return 0. So it's between get size and set file pointer, right? Huh. Interesting. There's nothing here though. So file, no, not this one. GC file. Maybe I should look at PS2 file. Maybe it gives a better. Get size, set file pointer. Okay, this is interesting. Get FP. Maybe it's a debug feature that was, left out. Okay, I'll call it, I guess. Okay, I see how it goes. So let me just define it here. So export bool by map file. And it takes a parameter. That's yes. Yes to me. So it's right here that it should go. OS file. And the code goes as follows. If file pointer. Yeah. Return false. Return true. And map view file. File pointer equals 0. It's basically this. Toby, my boy Toby. Spider-Man. Damn. That's crazy. Literally what I have. Ooh. Okay. So just go here. And map file. Okay, what else do I need? Why there's a thing for jump, jump, jump? Alrighty. So V2. Where is it closed though? What the fuck? Okay, this is propagating. Okay, host F close. Okay, I guess this is just host F close. I would guess that's it. Yeah. Host file system handle. Okay, this is a good one. And here, does F close return anything though? I don't know. Hint. I guess make it an hint. I don't lose anything by doing it this way. Return F close handle. Okay. Like, super simple thing to do. Is there anything? Host F close. Nope. Yeah, okay. Oh, I have, so F close was indeed a void. Okay. So I could have just done this. Thanks. No idea what is this. Not sure. CPAO. Okay, this is F read for sure. So yeah, let's this one. Yeah. What? Those are the parameters, really? Void pointer size. Oh yeah, indeed. Okay. I'm such a silly person. Length and what's the last one? Is the pointer, file pointer. Why did I write it here? Beautiful. Did I actually check whether it was matching? Yeah, okay, it was literally. Okay. Uh, hey, links. I think after I finish the OS file thing, I should actually make another release, because it means that things are getting more interesting. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Not you. So let's just get this guy. So, this guy. F read. And we can say okay and matching. And no idea. I have bigger problems. This game uses a non-standard standard. No, okay. It uses a different standard library. It doesn't use the one that comes with Microsoft, the Microsoft's compiler. I have some issues open about it. So yeah. So these and these are related, but and it basically blocks a lot of stuff. But for example, file loading is not needed to have the STL. So I don't know how many files it will be, but I don't think it will be that many. And it's hard to say because I don't know how different the code is from the original one. Or not the original, but how much it differed across. It needs host read. Because I'm assuming that they didn't change much the code between Kelly Slater and Spider-Man. Okay, this is F right. I have no idea where this name comes from, but okay. Okay. Void, it's literally the same thing. So what I can do, is it the same thing though? Yeah. Not you. Not you. Yeah, host. Wait, this code compiles? Oh, shh. How does this compile though? Yeah, it should. Yeah, I have a. Okay, my bad. Host of close. But yeah, this project is open for anyone to come and contribute. So yeah, anyone is interested, just message me or whatever, and I'll try to help as much as I can. But in all my decompilation projects, I don't think anyone has ever volunteered to help. So yeah, I don't like giving timelines because of that. I'm volunteering my time, so yeah. Try Lego Ninjago Tournament Epic. What? What the heck? Try Lego Ninjago Tournament EPK Android in Ida Pro. What does that even mean, man? Ninjago. Ninjago? I have no idea what you're talking about, man. The fuck is this? Is it a dead game? What the fuck? I have no idea. Whatever. I love how people say the most random stuff. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Okay. Right. So here I can do, okay, matching. It's a phone game. I know what's an APK, man, but I don't know why you want me to try stuff. I have no interest. I don't even have an Android phone to begin with. What is this? Oh, it's sick. Okay. This is a cool one to do. So now you go away. Sick. Will this even build though? Nice. So time to figure this one out. Duplicate tab. Here. Post seek mode. Yeah, right here. Good stuff. So maybe I should go to MSTN to check this one out. So MSTN F6 and I know. But I have no interest, man. I have no idea why you keep asking me. All right. So it's all integers. Seeker, secant, sextet. Okay. What is name? Origin. Okay. And origin. Switch mode. Case. Post premium. Seeker and set. And fseek, file pointer, the offset, and the origin. Okay, I guess this one is done, but I need to be sure. Sure, man, but I don't know why you're asking me, man. I've never done Android stuff or Lego stuff. I'm surprised how you even found my channel. I mostly do Spider-Man. Like, I get random questions about Spider-Man games, not Lego Ninjago. Ninja? I have no idea how to say that. It looks good. Yeah. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No. Hmm. Maybe it has to do with the order that I chose. So, curve, begin. Wait, did I miss the default case? May you make a tutorial about it? I never made tutorials, man, on either pro, man. I have no. I seriously am so confused. I've never made tutorials on either pro, bro. What? Okay, if it's 1, it's 0. If it's 2, it's 2. No, but I'm just curious how you found my channel, man. I have no idea. I've asked this to multiple people because I have no idea how people discover my stuff. Like outside of Spider-Man stuff, because I also have a blog, and some people come from the blog. Other people have no idea how they get into my channel. It's always the weirdest questions, too. Okay, I guess I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. That looks much better. Okay, this is what I was trying to go for. Yeah. This is a random search. Oh, okay. Oh. Wait, did I pop up in your feed or you Googled for IDA Pro? Because I don't think I even have IDA Pro as tags on my stream. Okay, matching. This is good. Oh, it's sick. Okay, now this goes here. Okay, this builds. That's cool. What else is there to do? Oh, there's a begin debug. What the fuck? This is even more confusing. But if I show up, that's funny. Let's try. F-stats. Huh. There's this underscore F-stat in MSTN apparently. F-stat. File descriptor. I'll handle. No. Okay, I guess this is wrong. V2. Ah, okay. My bad. This is a file pointer. Okay. Doesn't really matter. Okay. What is this about, though? Maybe there's another F-stat that I missed. Okie dokie, yeah. Ah, hosts. If open, if close, with like yeah, host get size. Yeah, exactly this guy. Shut up on my. Oh, okay. Okay, that's interesting. That's nice. Actually, I found the super cool project today. They are not really looking for contributors, but it's Marvel related. Well, here, yeah, this thing. So they're creating a server emulator for this game, Marvel Heroes. And there's even a blog. And the thing that shocks me is that they have monthly reports. I don't know how can they even make monthly reports. I'm not that active on my blog, but I see that they have more people contributing. Yeah. And yeah, there's a lot. This guy is the main one. Or girl, I have no idea. Oh no. So, and it just popped up on my feed too. Yeah, always happy to know what parts. Okay, get size. Okay, this is an interesting one. Get size. Right, F6 is the coolest thing. No. So I already talked about this in my blog, but I need to make sure, I need to know what's the default path here. And the way to do it is that it's the red one, so it's the -1 here. So the code is literally what you see here. So, and Mr. MSDN will tell me the rest. Where are you, MSDN? Yeah, so it's literally this code. Which is good. I like when I can just copy paste stuff from either and it's matching. I can just remove these, add the curly braces. And yeah, I guess this one is also done. Silly me. FP. Undeclare identifier. That's interesting. What do I need to import? Or include? CRT. I guess it's this one. Stats. Yoink. IO buffed int. What? Wait, is F stat? Let's just use the. Come on, man. How is this even possible? Interesting. Okay, I'm probably missing a macro or something. Windows convert. No. Yeah. I can also do this, but I don't think that's the recommended way. Must have a structure union type. But doesn't it? Oh, it just works like that. Oh my god. That's insane. Wow. That's insane. All right, get size. Yeah. Looks exactly the same, but just to be sure. This guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect. So I think all the host functions are now done. These are the weirdest ones too. So okay, matching. What else do I need here? Just to rename this guy and done. Alrighty, perfect. This is not needed, not needed. Uh, oh yeah, I think this will be the last one before it becomes goofy. So let me see if I can figure out what. Oh yeah, it's never you. Okay, whatever. Um, okay. Name A1 name. The weird thing about this. What the hell is happening here? So pre-root directory. Let's just take a look where this thing is used. Localize. Huh. Okay. Maybe. Check for errors. What the fuck? Not implemented. Yeah, it's stubbed out. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. Well, there's an assignment from V2. So this is a string X, I guess. It's just sums this with string X. Okay. And this is passed. Okay. Oh, it's a C declaration. Interesting. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Okay, it's a static method. Should I do it or no? I don't think it hurts anything to do it. Oh yeah, let me just turn on snip paste. I bought a license for this thing, but I kind of forget to use it. So let me just, where is it? So it gets the file attributes A. Maybe it checks whether it's a directory or something. File attributes A. Returns, return value, file attribute constants. Thank you. File, so what it's a 10? Okay. Is directory. So it's like is directory check. So let me just do directory. Directory. Ah, it's this one. It's this one. Directory exists. Oh my god, this is sweet. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god, this is amazing. Their name, remove trailing. Oh, I guess this is a really good implementation. Oh my god. Thank god I checked the thing. So, directory, static, yeah. Directory exists. That's amazing. Okay. So operator. What the fuck is this operator? Okay, whatever. Do I have any other static functions here? No, I don't. But where is it located though? It's located above host F open. Okay, makes sense. Return. Let's see if this builds as is. Start. Right, so I'll just copy paste the Xbox version and see how does it go. Okay. Perfect. Toby. This guy. Directory exists. Add buff to cache. Yeah, definitely not that. Definitely not that. And yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe I need to be. Oh, I fucked up the lines. I fixed them. Oh, it's blue lines too. Okay, that's fine. Wrong one. Okay. Yeah, didn't work as well as expected, but it's a good start. So, dear name. So, if name chars 1, we do name equals name, so dear name else. We do dear name equals os file, root directory, name, that's it. And then we do this. I guess this is literally just this. I guess it's just this. That's what it looks like. String X. Oh yeah, that's true. This guy, this guy. Huh. Interesting, very interesting. String X.h. Yeah, you. Chars. As far as I know, they are kind of Python-like negative. Okay, it's just I can just do this. There's a bunch of extra logic, but it doesn't really matter. Tee. So what is going on? So directory exists. Yo, that's crazy. What happened here? Okay. Oh no, this looks like a file exists and not the file attribute directory. Wait. Hmm. Okay, 1 minute. Be right back. Let me just create a intermission screen. Oh, I already have one. And it's beautiful. Okay. Okay. So still wondering about the function, but the name doesn't really matter for now. Uh oh, that's interesting. So it did not get inlined? What the fuck? Ah, I see what's going on. This. What the fuck? This is a string X, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, I guess. I guess. You go, girl, I guess. Um, if I go here, there's the string length stuff, crazy shenanigans going on. There's make room. So friend in line. So this is the one that I did. So what if, crazy idea, I want to spidetm source string x. There's the problem. String x. Okay, good. What if I just do this, right? OS, not OS, string x. Will this work? No. Is not a member of. Ah, yeah, of course, of course. Unresolved. What? That's the wrong one. Yeah, exactly. What? Okay, okay. What the fuck am I doing now? I took the wrong one out, right? I think I did. Yeah, okay. Okay, whatever. Why are... Okay, I understand why they are defined there. But why are inline? Okay. What's the problem? Why can't I... There might be... another place. What the fuck? Operator plus. Yes, I know that. What am I missing here? Like I'm losing my marbles. So... Oh, it's the inline. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I understand now. Just getting in line when it shouldn't. Whatever. Who cares, right? So directory Gregory over here. Yeah, okay, I copied the wrong one. So it's character. It's this guy that I should be copying. My bad. This should just build as is. whatever. Close. Directory exists. Okay, this looks much better now. Yeah. Whatever. This is really good. This is really, really, really good. This is what I wanted to see. Mine is different than 0, right? Okay, let me. Maybe I should just ask ChatGPT about this. Okay. Let me teach you how I prompt. Maybe this can be helpful for someone. I said I'm working on a C++ code base on Windows, and there's this code. Name, int result. What does it do? I guess if it's not a directory, but this is weird. Yeah, okay, it's going way too deep. Yeah, file attribute directory. Okay, that's good. Yeah, whether it's set. It's like a file exists, I guess. It's not a directory. I guess there's a bug in the code then. Doesn't matter. Okay. What about temporary archive system? Okay, so it's the file exists then. Okay, so file. Oh, it's this one. So it's the file exists, not the directory exists. So let's just do it this way. What? Fuck? Oh. And I guess now this is correct. It was not as hard as I thought it would be, but that concatenation was strange, man. Really strange. Get file exists. Yeah, it's you. Yeah. You go here. You go here. Okay, much better. Ah, okay. There's a J there. Okay, whatever. Yes. Perfect. Yeah. Great. Assignment. Yeah, no problem. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty-o. Wait, is the code? Yeah, okay. Hello, man. October 7th. What? What do you mean October 7th? Maybe. So, yeah, there's another function here. You can see it. Uh-huh. This guy. Yeah, okay. This makes more sense. Is it compelling again? I'm finding out FL attributes. Ah, so this one is well done. So this one is well done. The other one, whatever. I have no idea why they did it this way. This direct. So this is the directory exists. OS file system is locked, and you shouldn't act on it. Kind of funny. So I can add the directory exists as a to do. It's not used, so that's why it doesn't. Patch push ret. Oh yeah, let's go here. This guy. This file. The file exists. Okay. Okay, that's not good. Alrighty, so let's do it this way. File exists. I'll say no. This one is good. Oh, good. Exists. No. Good. Bad. Bad. Commit and host get size. File size. Host get size. Okay. And then I can do OS file. File exists. Kind of a weird code. Open. Yeah, now I need to do the open. I guess it's the only one missing. Yeah, I haven't done this one, but who cares? This guy. Get root directory. That's. Huh. Oh yeah, there's the read. I've not done read yet. That's crazy. So maybe I need to do read. Yeah. Something weird about file. I can definitely check this one out. Yoink. You can hear. This is a one-liner. Maybe I need to make use of this version. So OS file, read. Yeah, kind of funny, but no. So how do I OS file read? Does this work? Unrecognized. How do I find async, GC, and PS2? Okay. Okay. Oh wow. This This is how complicated it is to read a file in PlayStation 2. My god. But yeah, here it's quite simple, I guess. What is this thing? What the fuck? This looks like a secret society club or whatever. Error. Here we go. Yeah, I won't find that. How do you target? Do you just try search? I think client code is in the deal. No, no. So the game is a single executable. So engine stuff will be any like file routines, rendering. I have strings already done. It will be like anything that doesn't need to know the concept of like what's Spider-Man, what's web swinging. That's what I call engine stuff. But yeah. What the fuck is this? I think this is the error function though. Might be wrong though. Is this used in many places? Oh yeah. It's used in basically all over the place. It's not a gun. Do 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 do. And these I'll find out about it. It's this one. Find instance. Error. Okay, this is the error. NGL printf. Interesting. So it depends on the implementation. You see error message. Okay, now I understand more about this. This is how they do it here. There's also okay, whatever. And this is the cool one to see. So duplicate. So here I can just go here and put yes2. Silly. Yes2. Error. Yeah. NGL printf app bomb. Interesting. That thing might be app bomb. Okay. And this is xv error message cpp error. Okay, it's always like this. Interesting. So this is the error function right here, and what happens here happens here. String x. Yeah. Okay. I guess now this makes more sense. But it's important that error. It's good. I don't know what the hell this one is doing. It's a different error though. What? This error. I need to go through here. Right? This is the man. There are many errors. I guess these are different errors, I guess. Okay. Maybe I can try to look for is not a light source, right? Is this used a lot? Yeah, it is. Let's look for other places. Oh yeah. This is specific. I tried. Maybe this is not the bad token in font file. Okay, this is a good one. look for. Network name fund file. Good. Want to load. Ah. Okay, so there are two types of errors. Oh, there's the error string X, and then there's the error char const char. What the fuck? Okay, now I'm learning something. So the error string const string X. Where does it come from though? Ah, error messages that halts execution. So the string X version halts execution. That's interesting. Ooh. That's cool, that's cool. So, yeah. Okay, I already have them, so I can just leave it be. Okay, okay. Now I can resume what I was doing, which is OS file stuff. This guy. So this is the error. I have no idea what the hell is going on here. Fast call, never. Is it this call? Because of that, I'll need to remove this parameter here. I don't know what's that -1 doing. I guess the code is simple as this. Let me just implement the read then. File, read, not you, the other read. So takes void. Huh. 8. It doesn't have this async parameter. Okay. I guess they got rid of it. It's really cool. See? So data, and this is bytes. Alrighty. It returns indeed an integer, so that's fine. Bytes. Okay. So yeah, this guy. Int read void data int bytes. Yank, just a bunch of code here. Huh. Okay, so error string X, something weird about file plus this name. This is how it should go. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Okay, you were okay. So this is how it should go. And I should actually go to error message Nadir output debug string A, string C string, and do a exit -1. Hopefully this builds without much problem. Output D, yeah, okay, I'm missing a G. So if I have a debugger, I'll get a string. The debugger, I don't want it just to close. I don't want the game just to close, but since it's a fatal error, I should kill the execution as soon as possible before it escalates. What? Wait. I'm trying to reverse engineer the render for another game using it. I have no idea where to start. Oh. Yeah. So you're asking the wrong person. I have very little experience with graphic stuff, so I'll need to learn more about graphics. Yeah, but it depends on what you want to do. Like, one doesn't reverse engineer something just because. There's a purpose, and that makes things easier, hopefully. But yeah, I think that's as much as I can help you. Trying to think. Yeah, graphics to me, it goes over my head. Data. Oh, I think I got it too much. Did I? Yeah, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, looks like it. It's like I got it too much. I'm quite happy about it. No, I did not. There's slight difference. Compare set B. Yeah, okay. Heights. Ah, okay. I'm returning the wrong one. So yeah, we should return what we actually read. Yeah, my bad, my bad. That's big. That's a bug. It's an actual bug. Do 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 do. But yeah, the only tip that I have is just start doing it, and yeah, you'll definitely get stuck. That's basically non-negotiable, but that's yeah. Looks the same now, right? But does it? Is it even the same size? So 71, 18, 8. 71, 18, 8. Yeah, that looks really good. So let's oof. This guy. And now so the read function is done. Okay, matching. What else do I need? Oh, read. Okay. Git commit os file read. Okay, now I need to do the open. I guess that's the last one to do here relative to the beginning. We get file pointer. Whatever. What do I need? I like how this function is inlined over here. Yeah, open. So let's take a look. No, no. So, what is this guy? Locked. I guess this is like some leftover code from some other stuff, because the game will die without that piece of code. So I'll say it's not really necessary. The code won't be matching, but that's not really a concern that's happening. Interesting. Look at these. Check system locked. Indeed, indeed. Move editor. That's a warning. That's not an error, that's a warning. Okay. This guy is a, yeah, it's a warning. Okay. Warning. Yeah. Okay. Look. Fork data. Oh, this is string stuff. Okay. Not a big deal. Switch statement. Fine. Yeah, that's totally fine. The only logic that really matters is down there from what I've seen. So OS file. String X and flags. So name and flags. And no, you're not the const char, you're integer. Behave like one. And what does it return? Nothing. Okay, it will. This dramatically changes the decompilation. That's why I. Okay, I don't think it's actually changed that much, but okay, whatever. C string, yeah, yeah. Into there. Okay, so GC file. So PS2 file. Let's take a look at this guy. Do I have the Xbox file? No. XB file CPP. Flag stash only. Okay. Yeah. File read. Check system locked. Yeah. Is system locked? Where does it come from? Is and look for the is system locked function. Excuse me. Oh, system lock, system unlock. That's crazy. How did I miss these guys? So they are above string X name. Okay. String X name. I think I just deleted a bunch of them, right? Yeah, I did. So these are the functions. But what is system locked? It's static bool. Which I guess goes here. And then I need to define it in the CPP file. System locked. Yeah, okay. Ay, ay, ay. Now it makes more sense. Ta-da. So is system locked? Yeah, okay. This guy. What do I need to do? It's below here. Just paste this guy. So not okay. Missing the OS developer stuff. And just do this. Should do. Ah, this is amazing. I can start yoinking more code. I was gonna raw dog it, but then I thought a little and tried to open from CD. Yeah, it do be like that sometimes. Oh. Let's just check how does it look like with the inline and stuff, right? Close. So we passed the file name. So open. How much code we add? Okay. Maybe I should also do some things in string. String X, the header. Maybe, just maybe, I should go here, string X CPP, go to the other ones. If I do this, maybe the code will be much more beautiful. And that's what I need. Take me through there. All right, so open. Yeah, whatever. It's because warning doesn't do shit, so what should I do with our message? So if I make it unique like this, it will be much better. It will have a proper signature. That's what I mean. So there's some jang going on here. I'll focus on the flags first. Open. OSL open. Oh, much. Yeah, whatever. It is what it is, right? We get the string. So no, this one I'll need to recreate myself like a caveman. So sad. No, I'm kidding. I'm just happy that when I can just take code, it speeds up this like a lot, so that's the biggest reason. Can accidentally introduce a bug, and that's what I don't want to do. Okay. Alrighty. So what I know for sure is that this is fine. Let's see a so fuck it. Let's see how it works on the GameCube. Oh wow, it's yeah, reading stuff from disk is crazy. I have an easier time. Okay, so this is how it looks like, right? And there's already a couple things that I can fix. This guy is invalid handle value. This file handle. So this looks like this. This guy. I need the documentation for create file A. Here. Create file A. What the fuck? Here. So desired access. Okay. Shared mode. Security attributes. Fine. Flags and attributes. What are these flags and attributes, right? So it's 80. So it's file attribute normal. I already did this. So wait. File attribute normal. And what's the big? And the other is the, where is it? Session aware. I guess. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. File sequential scan. I guess this is how it goes. This should just build, you know. I do this. Okay. This should be accept. Check system. Do not have this pointer. So 52. Oh my fucking god, my bad. I was so confused with what I was seeing. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Oh yeah, C string, for sure. Perfect, okay. This is already a really good start. And I need to do the V8. So I need to filter the flags, whatever the flags are. So what are the open flags, right? Flags. What? Okay, wrong one. Oh, file read. Okay, okay. No CD. Okay, file read. Do I have this here? Oh, I do, I do. All right, you. Is it a switch statement? I guess not. Creation disposition. Shared mode. Hmm. It is always doing tests, so I guess it's just a bunch of if statements. So if flags, I'll read. Okay, it doesn't complain. So if it's one, desired access. Okay. Can just go to MagnumDB. So MagnumDB is your best friend in this case. Just plug this thing here. Oh, okay, here. Great. There's a bunch like this. So, and let's do file map reserve, right through. Generic read access rights. Oh, it's generic read. Would have thought. So, okay, keyword desired access, and desired access becomes this. Creation disposition. Okay. Creation disposition. Let me also rename these things on IDA. So this is the desired access, creation disposition. Good. Okay, so for one, creation disposition is 3. No, it's the shared mode. What the fuck? Desired access. So it's the desired. No, it's shared mode. Shared mode. Shared mode. Creation disposition. Oh, fucking heck. No, okay. 3 is a creation disposition. Creation disposition. Okay, all good. So creation disposition. Okay, that's good. So creation disposition being 3 means open existing. Creation disposition, open existing. So this is the desired access. shared mode. This is the creation disposition. Okay. That's fine. Shared mode. I guess the last one is shared mode. Shared mode is 1. What does it mean? All right. Beautiful. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So for 2, creation disposition is 2. This works fine. So file write needs a... Let me just first do it like this, and then I can... So... desired access, it's this guy. First I'll do it this way, so shared mode. Shared mode is 0. And then I can work on the rest. So... there's modify and append still. Kind of crazy to have a modify here. Whatever. Huh. Maybe someone realized huh. There's also an 8. Hmm. I don't know. So append. I'm just assuming that 8 is append. So for the 4, desired access is this guy. Creation disposition is 4. The shared mode is 0. Okay. And for the 8, oh wow. Creation disposition is 4. Yeah, that's good. And the shared mode is 0. Okay. Nothing too groundbreaking here. Okay, this should build as is, but it's still not done. see. Yeah, let's do it this way. Okay, now this builds, but I still need the extra code above. I guess someone realized that having like 8.4 was kind of dumb. All right, so I have a couple things. So assign name to name. Okay, that's a good one. So after the initial thing happens, we can just do this name equals name. Huh. And there's a lot of fork data going on. What is the thing that causes fork data though? Oh. String x cpp. Alrighty. So back to string x. String x cpp fork data. Make room. What? What is happening? Oh, it's the operator. It's the access. Okay, okay, okay. This might not be as weird as it seems. Okay, okay. Just creates a bunch of code that was weird. Do 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 do. Oh, I already have this. Reroute dear thing. Wait, no. Okay. This is weird, but sure. So if this basically what's happening is this name 0 and 1 different than this. Then v5 this name equals okay, just a pen. I guess the proper way to write this code is and put this like so. I guess this is fine now. Yeah, okay, this looks good. Unary minus. Oh yeah, true. So this underscore. Let's go. Toby. So you. Oh, no one. Okay. I have it on the other screen. Okay. No, did I forget to export it? No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I just have a typo. Yeah, okay, that's what happens. Okay, now it makes more sense. I was so confused. Looks really good. 70. Oh my god, it looks strangely too good to be true. Maybe it's just that good. Okay, I'll just compare the file access stuff, right? 3.1. That's beautiful. 3.2. Oh my god. I think I've done it. Oh, okay. The labels are slightly different. So this one goes from 19 to 21. This goes from 18 to 20, but it's not a big deal. I think it's because this up here is slightly different. But yeah. Let me just quickly compare the things because I would be a little dumb not to do it. DSP8. Ah, okay. This is the thing. So, according to the spec, I go to XP file, right? Oh, that's the fucking heck, man. Okay, okay, this is nice. Okay, they were not matching at all, and I was getting, you know, the heebie-jeebies, and that's not a good thing to get. And the age. Okay, yeah, that's indeed 8. What the fuck? It kind of makes sense, though. We're doing it this way. So I guess they did it that way, because if you do file append, right? If you do it this way, I have no idea. Basically, they become powers of 2. Okay. Yeah, this looks really good, I must say. Yeah. I'm one of the greatest, indeed, indeed, indeed. Okay. This is good, this is good. Nothing else to see. Or data. Yeah. Okay, so what I need to do is now give proper names to these guys, right? So desired access. So actually I can start with shared mode because it's always 0. So shared mode. Shared mode. So 0 is basically prevent stuff. Okay. When it's writing, no one can write. Okay, now desired access. Desired access. Let's just take this to the Magnum DB and see what it says. These are quite common. That's the problem. Generic write. I guess generic write is a thing. Yeah, okay, this looks like generic. Generic, right? Just build it. Beautiful. Now I need this guy, desired access. What does Magnum say about this guy? Okay. Hmm. Standard access. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. This one will be a little... Oh wait, there aren't that many. I'll read can't mask. Index car. So value, okay, this is much better. Hmm. Let's see if ChatGPT can figure. If I call create file A with DW desired access set to this value over here, what does it mean? Okay. Oh, it's a combination of... Hmm. Really? Generic write, generic read. Okay, let's see whether I didn't fuck up anything. I don't like keeping the values as unknowns. And yeah, no. You stay here. You stay here. Oh, I think it worked. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, that's interesting. Now the only thing that I need, file modify, generic. Modify and append. Oh yeah, it's the creation disposition. Okay. Creation disposition. Create always, that's 2. Create always. If it exists, the function truncates the file and open always. Okay, this is open always. Open always. This is beautiful, man. Just another validation. It should be done. Then I should patch it, and I should also patch the constructors and just be on my way. Hey man, I can't read your name. I don't know how to read Arabic, but welcome. I was in the zone for a moment. I was in the flow state, as the wannabes on Twitter call it. Hey man, I was in the flow state. Okay. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. So I can also patch the set and the I also might need to patch the get too. And what I call pre-root directory, maybe it's the root directory? I don't know. Let me just be overly cautious. I don't like browser group tabs or whatever we call it. What's this thing that I wanted to see? Fuck, I forgot with that error popping up. Oh yeah, pre-root directory. Is it? Yeah, I don't think it's ever used the pre-root. And I think it's like root and pre-root. I don't know. If it's wrong, and then I'll need to fix it. Alrighty. It's looking good. Let's take a look at Spider-Man. Oh, I need to patch that function. Okay. All right, I found a new function. That's fine. Set root. Oh yeah. So the reason I know why I swapped them is because here it's defined pre-root. So here is root and pre-root. And if I look here, it might be the same thing. So set root and pre-root. Fuck. Let me get Toby. Where are you, Toby? Okay. Okay. I need to fix the IDB. That's fine. Pre-root directory. This guy. Yeah. Set pre-root directory. Yeah. So root directory. and set root directory. Okay. Now it's time to actually fix the code. Reroute. What do I need? OS file, open. Okay. Now, I'm to actually fix this. So, yeah. Okay, okay, that's cool. Now also I should do open. Yeah, where the fuck is open? So right over here, this guy. Perfect. Replace root dir stuff. Yeah, indeed, indeed, indeed. So here's the export. Alrighty. So what I need to do is just add the symbols there, and then it will just work. Actually, I think I can just patch it directly. So this get the get root directory. So patch push ret, this guy, OS file, get root directory, and this guy is get free root directory. Free. And I think it's done. Let me just do a quick check. 3 OS files, open, close. Oh yeah, it's down there for some. Open, close, read, write, get size, try and map. Okay, get size. It's good. Set FP, yeah. There should be a get FP too. And it doesn't seem to exist. So the get root. Oh yeah, now I need to do the set and the get. Okay. My bad, my bad. So file exists. So file exists is lower. It is literally here. So I'm just following the database. There's a setfp, set root directory. So I need to fix that. Set root directory. Right here. This guy. Set root directory, and then I need a set pre-root directory. It is really good. File exists. Yeah, I'm missing the directory exists. Doesn't matter. If open, there's some stuff that doesn't matter. If close, read, write, seek, get size, and that's all. That's literally all. Okay, this is really cool. So let me just add here printf in open and name cstring, of course, and so that I can actually test this. Copy. Yeah, done. Oh, I haven't started the X window this stream, which is kind of cool to think about it. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Should watch it in real time. Oh, look at this. I'm so happy. It's so hard to describe. I don't know how the file, how do they read the thing, but okay. Find a Uncle Ben's killer. Yes, I will. I want to find a murderer. Damn, I hit him well. Fuck off. Okay. It just reloads a bunch of stuff. Wow. This is amazing. So, okay. Let me remove the fin open. Yep. Git diff. File exists. Yeah. Great. So git commit patch all OS file functions. This is great. The fact that it just works like this. Okay. Can even make a release now. Git diff. And maybe it's time to do another release. Super secret password. So let's save the IDVs, right? So I can save this one. This one I also save on the other screen. This one I don't want to save. I need to be careful. Yep. And let's start this thing, the backup. Toby IDVs, Python backup. Let's work on. Just quickly check something. Alrighty. It is backing up, which is good. Let me open today's. Okay, 13 commits. Okay, this is really good. Streaming for, yeah, almost 3 hours. Crazy. But yeah, I wanted to finish it. And I did. I'm super proud. It's stupid. Okay, whatever. I need to add an extra space there. But whatever. Yeah. Does it build though? It does build. Okay, this is good to know. Okay. Me download the thing and then make a release. Summary. As here. Yes, do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. Right? Okay, it's called Toby. Now I understand. Okay. So releases. Push release draft new release. What the fuck? Select tag v2, create new tag. Selected. That's good. Yeah, what did I do so far? Yeah, that's it basically. So let's just go to Toby. Yeah, this is today. Yeah, this looks good. Just rename it to v2.zip. And now it's gone. So v2.zip, come here, and yeah, that's what I need. Publish release. Yeah, this is really cool. OS file functions I selected. So there's a new release. I'm quite happy with it. Let me announce it on my server. Alrighty, so I'd like to remind everyone that I have an amazing blog and you should go there to learn more about what I'm doing. And yeah, today was a really productive stream. I guess tomorrow I'll do a shorter stream because I'll need to work on something else. I want to work on something else. And then, yeah, that's it. Have a nice evening, everyone. See ya.